Well, hello friends, it's Kim Otakova Cairo Designs here on my channel, of course. Thanks for joining me. I have like piles. They're about 10 inches high on all four corners of my desk here, including this box. I don't even know how to start doing the unboxing because the box was so big. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go stack by stack by stack by stack. So showing you what I got in my PR package. Webster's Pages is beyond generous with their PR goods. These are things that are in their shop currently that you can pick up right away. And of course, I'll leave all the links below that you need. So, which one first? All right, let's start over here. This is the first paper pad. It's changing colors, and I've been using their wallpaper stickers with this, and I love it. Do you remember me using this one with the giraffe? And then the wood grained, and then I've been using this in my teacher journal as well. The love is in the air. Love this paper pad. See this sweet Caroline? I have one of the Webster's Pages Traveler's Notebook with that, of course. And then it has this just great wood grained, lovey feely. I literally use this all the time. Do some fussy cuts of that. Oh, it's a composition folio. That's what it is. And so obviously Webster's Pages does a wonderful job with packaging and quality control. This is just beautiful. I'm so happy to have another folio. I have their other one, this buffalo check. That's this one right here that I got on my last, and I adore it and use it constantly. It's always on my desk. So this composition folio is definitely a stunner. Another composition folio. This one I have a matching A5 already that I purchased on my own like long time ago from Joann's with the same print. But every one of these composition folios comes with a composition notebook. So you're starting right off the bat, ready to rock and roll. I love that about Webster's Pages. They're always thinking about their customers and making sure you have the best value for your money. And these composition folios, hands down, one of my favorite things to boot. This one I'm going to take off the wrapper just because I want you to just feel, you know, vicariously through the video what this is like. This is just this vegan leather. So it's not real leather, but it just has this texture on it that makes you feel so luxurious. It's something I really cherish, and the pockets are well designed and constructed. I've never had any issues with them at all. So in all of this, the quilting effect goes all over through the inside. My favorites, I use these constantly. I have one for book notes. I have one for journaling. I use them constantly. So this is this honeycomb cover, and it is like a cream paper inside. It's not exactly white, but it's definitely awesome because you cannot find this size notebook with absolutely blank papers. Even if you go to TJ Maxx, everything has lines. And so if you're looking for like a journal or somewhere to do some artist sketching, this paper holds up great with watercolors. This one has the branding on below, and then it has this awesome lined with the cream paper, and then it says notes here, and this is actually not on this like plastic part, it's right on there. And then of course my favorite buffalo check, it says hello love. This one again is with this mildly cream paper with this buffalo check. One pile down, 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. All right, let's move on to this pile. This looked like some absolutely necessities. These are standard size traveler's notebook. You get 2 in each pack, and this one says one is lined and one is grid. So there's the lined, and here's the grid. This one is again lined and blank. So these are great for memory keeping, list making. They're just great to pop in a traveler's notebook on the go. Here's one that's absolutely white pages, so I would use this for more of like a journaling or, you know, some doodling, that sort of thing. I haven't seen before this bunch of notebook pack. Let's check it out. Gorgeous. This yellow is lined, and we will see what this one is. It is white. And these are rounded corners, so it makes it a nice addition to Traveler's Notebook. This one I have purchased before. Actually, I purchased a whole bunch of these to give out at Chicago Planner Conference. This one is grid, and this one is lined. This one is, the Love Notebook is gray lined, and the flower is blank. I think we get the point. I'm not going to have to open every one. Ooh, I love this flowers. This one has this home theme. That's cute. Tree notebook inside is gray lined, and the houses one is blank. That's cute. This is the oh, let's take a look at these. I just got these. I bought them on my own. This is a week on one page. And then in the beginning is a month view. And they also have this in composition notebooks. So if you're looking for something like this, that's a great, and a larger size, that's great. This one is a daily time traveler's notebook. Oh, you had me at timed. Look at that. It's in military time or international time. And then it has a place to do priorities. Then, of course, you've got some grids on Saturday and Sunday. This would work well for lesson planning, can I just say? Got me noodling. These awesome wallpaper stickers that I have been using. I use those for teacher planning, to-do list, menu planning. Again, we've got these. These were in my last unboxing, so if you wanted to take a quick look at those, that's great. These wallpaper stickers go great in a traveler's notebook, right on the cover, on the inside. These are pocket size, so if you have a pocket size traveler's notebook, those work well to do anything you want with. I love this recipe bucket as well. Another wallpaper stickers, I use these immensely. And then here is the same as this Love is in the Air. It's a collection, and these are the stickers that go with it. They're more wallpaper stickers that I just used in my February faith planner. I use those there as well. Sorry about not opening all of these. These are all the wallpaper stickers. This one is a pocket size as well. On to the next. I have, it looks like a package that says faux leather stickers, perfect for planning. Leather teal, and I have these enamel dots. Loved these enamel dots in my Christmas unboxing. I use those quite extensively. I don't think I even have them anymore. And so this must be faux leather. Let's take a look. I don't think I've ever seen these in person. They weren't kidding when they said faux leather. Let's get as close as I can. They have a texture to them as well as that foiling. Very luxurious. I don't think I've ever planned with faux leather stickers before. Like top notch, man. And then of course you get the pink ones as well. Same dealio. And then if you're looking to use your traveler's notebook as a wallet, we've got the traveler's notebook insert refill. I've got this too. It's got credit card slots and then a zipper pouch. Ooh, planner pouches with photo sleeves. Hello. So it looks like it's a 6-ring A6 one. It looks like it has different pocket sizes. And here is the one that's 2 by 1.5. Noodle. Next pile. All right, so these are personal size. It looks like this is 2-page month views for personal size. They're probably dated. Let's take a look. They are indeed dated. Very helpful. So it's a week on 2 pages, and then also a monthly view as well for each of the months of 2019. That's going to be helpful. A5s as well. They have different design dimensions. Looks like you get 4x3s and 2x2s in that pack. This one looks like a full 2x2s, and it is. I've actually purchased these in the past from Joann's long before Webster's Pages when I was on their design team. Very useful. I loved them. I actually made shaker pockets out of them. I'll have to dig them out and show you guys. So we got 4x3s, 2x2s on this one. Again, this one's a little bit different. It has the 2x2s and the 4x3s. This one's a full sheet. This is going to be really helpful. So it has all those designs. And these I actually purchased on my own not too long ago. So I've got, this is an extra set. So this is an A5 size, same layout. It's the horizontal view in the month, just like the personal size. And then a magic box. Let's take a look. Woo! It's a pencil pouch. This one is purple or lavender. I have a yellow one that I got in my Christmas package from them. The warehouse box one that I think everybody enjoyed so much. So there's a mesh pocket here and then 3 other pockets as well. Great for holding pens and they don't clash. So the problem with the pencil pouch is once you stick everything in, all that metal bangs together and it ruins some of your pen's exteriors. This is the way to go if you are really special pens. And we know we love our pens in the planner world. Let's do the next pile. Scoot, scooty, scoot, scoot. Scooty McScoot Scoot. Here we go. Looks like we start off with a package of composition folios. So in that bag was a whole bunch of composition folios, and every single one of these is different. This is the undated month and week that we talked and looked about earlier. So it has that wider of the standard size that we have. So it's laid out just the same. In the beginning is all of the month undated, and then near the rear is all of the undated daily. So this is perfect if you're on large scale. Love it. Next one is this composition notebook. This one, the cover, I use this a lot. This is that grid one. I think that's the one I have currently in. It's the one I'm using right now, using it as my teacher planner. So this is tomorrow's, Mondays and Tuesdays teacher planner that I just use it quite extensively. So that's what that is. So the one is this one, and it is white pages on the inside. They are not cream, they're white. So perfect for sketching as well. And here's one of my favorite ones as well. This is the daily. So this is how it's laid out. It has the daily date across, and then you can circle what day of the week it is to do, appointments, reminders, call, email, shopping list, little notes section. Thank you for making us hydrated. And of course, you've got your daily gratitude and goals. So it really is a great way to just plan, super easy. Love Is in the Air is one of my favorite all-time paper collections from Webster's Pages. This is the changing colors version. See if I can get it all full screen here. They really do a wonderful job using quality paper. It's very thick. But I like to use it also in my planner as well, in conjunction with stickers, because, you know, how can you, like, fussy cutting all of these would be fantastic, which I've done. You've got your 3x4 cards that you can add to your A5 memory pages. Again, that's changing colors. Oh, this is one of my favorites. And that is the paper pack. And finally, the box that did not want to stay on my table. It's already exploding just a little bit. Let's open it up if I can. Yay! Oh my goodness! They have no idea how much adhesives we go through. Isn't that sweet? That's so sweet. So these are glue dots. Sorry, I got a little excited. Looks like this is a refill for one of the glue dot dispensers. Amazing. This includes mini dots, more adhesive for days, pre-scored, better than tape. Wow. Amazing. Amazing. These are ultra thin. These work really good. These are glue lines. Interesting. I've never knew glue dots had so many different kinds of adhesive. Can I be awesome? Pop-up dots. Ooh, so they have a dimension to them. Here's the next one. Smooth layering, craft dots, mini dots, removable dots. Dots for days, peeps. We are on the home stretch. This is the last pile. In this one little package, there was these pocket size notebooks. These are lined and blank, and again, lined and blank. And they are just smaller versions of some of the standard ones we've already looked at. This also in that package was stickers. These are the New Day stickers. It comes with some alphas and some absolutely beautiful stickers as well that you can use in your planner. When we got that 12x12 paper pad, these were like the first to go, and I'm glad to see there's some in different sizes. What's this? Weekly planner pad. It does have a backing for, you can hang it on the side of the fridge or by the back door. It has obviously Monday through Fridays, a place to make notes. Let's take a look. So the tear pad is actually on the side over here. I love the different colorways. Looks like this is a different colorway and a different font. Let's take a look at that one. Here is this paper pad. It has this wonderful design on the side, and it does change periodically while the design changes. Isn't that just lovely for spring? And you can probably tear this out and leave the other ones attached as well. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. And the last, it looks like this is a stationery accents. I've purchased one of these before. This is where I've gotten my number paper clips. This is our die cuts and washi, some 3x4 journal cards, and the stamp that comes with it as well. So this is from the Love Everyday collection. A lot of these are very similar to the composition notebooks that we have. They make great pocket decoration, super easy, just stick them in the pocket, along with the sticky notes here as well. You can just take off a few of these and put them in the pockets. These are adorable little location tags. Here's the washi, and it's that same New Day, but it has this teal strip on the bottom. And then, of course, you've got some other pocket deco you can deal with and love. Once Upon a Time, and just some graph paper. Some of them are thicker than others, and some are thin. It just depends on what you're getting. And then here are the chipboard pieces with adhesive backs, so you can do lots of different layering with the journal cards, or use them on their own in a planner, or with memory keeping. I just don't even know how to fit the entire stack here on my desk, but I'm going to do my best. Webster's Pages, you are overly generous with your compliments of our designs, our repostings, and of course, all of this beautiful swag from our PR package. We are going to be set for quite some time. Thank you so much, and I look forward to working with you for as long as you'll have me. Thank you, Webster's Pages.